In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an estimate on Freshbooks. This is an essential process for freelancers, small business owners, or anyone looking to manage their billing efficiently. Let's dive into the process step by step. Firstly, let's start a new estimate. From your Freshbooks dashboard, you will see a button labeled Create New. Click on this, and from the drop-down menu, you'll want to choose Estimate. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can navigate to the Estimates section from the left-hand menu. Once you're there, you'll again click on Create New and select Estimate. This is the starting point for preparing your document. Next, it's time to add client information. You'll be presented with options to select an existing client from your contacts or add a new one. If you're adding a new client, make sure to fill in all the required fields accurately. This helps in ensuring that the estimate reaches the right person and that you maintain a professional image. Moving on to the estimate details, here you will enter the date of issue, which is today's date, and a due date for when you expect the work to be completed or the payment to be made. If your work requires it, you can also add a reference number for further clarification or tracking purposes. To detail what you're offering, click Add a Line. This is where you can list each service or product you are providing, along with their costs. Make sure to be thorough and precise, as clarity here eliminates any potential confusion. If you're offering a discount, don't forget to include that here as well. It's a nice touch that your client might appreciate. After you've detailed the services and pricing, it's important to add notes and terms. The Notes section is your chance to include any additional information you think the client should know. Meanwhile, the Terms section is crucial for specifying any conditions or important details about the project. Be sure to use clear, straightforward language to avoid any misunderstandings. Finally, once everything is filled out to your satisfaction, you have the choice to save or send the estimate. If you're still waiting on a few details, you can click Save to keep it as a draft. This allows you to make edits later. However, if everything is ready to go, click the paper airplane icon to send the estimate directly to your client via email. This step is efficient and ensures that your client receives the estimate promptly. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating an estimate on Freshbooks. This process helps in managing your business operations smoothly, ensuring that you remain organized and professional. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and feel free to revisit it whenever you need a refresher.